Clean Hospitals Day 2024. This year we celebrate the 6th domain of healthcare and environmental hygiene. Those 6 domains are surfaces, of course, water control, air control, laundry, waste management, and of course, sterilization and reprocessing of medical instruments. Let's celebrate together. If you go on our website, you find all the indication. You can access the material at the link that is indicated on the bottom of the screen. Look at the tools, take them, share them, and send it to all your friends and colleagues so that everybody can participate in this Clean Hospitals Day. And of course, share our discussions, go on LinkedIn, and let's share between our community all Clean Hospitals activities. Last but not least, use and facilitate the communication by using these. Celebrate Clean Hospitals Days. You can see, you take it easy on the computer, write your name, and participate. Let's all celebrate together Clean Hospitals Day 2024.